Hey tech enthusiasts, looking for a versatile, budget-friendly keyboard that works with all your devices? Well, today, I've got something exciting for you, the Arteck HB220B Bluetooth backlit keyboard. At just $27.99, it promises to pack a punch with premium features. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Inside the box, you'll find the Arteck keyboard, a USB charging cable, and a handy guide to get you started. It even comes with a 2-year warranty, a nice bonus for peace of mind. First impressions? It's slim, lightweight, and easy to carry. Perfect for students, professionals, or anyone on the go. And check this out. The 7-color backlighting adds a touch of style to your workspace, especially during late-night work or gaming sessions. Here's what makes this keyboard a standout. It connects to 3 devices at once. Switching between them is as easy as pressing a single key. It's compatible with all major operating systems: iOS, Android, Mac OS, and Windows. So whether you're using a tablet, phone, or PC, you're covered. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 6 months per charge. Yes, you heard that right. That's based on 2 hours of use per day with the backlight off. Typing on the Arteck HB220B is smooth and quiet thanks to its scissor switch keys. And multitasking? A breeze. I can switch from typing an email on my laptop to texting on my phone within seconds. No delays, no fuss. Let's break it down. Pros: stylish design and backlighting, multi-device support, long battery life, affordable price at just $27.99. Cons: it doesn't have a numeric keypad, something to consider if you work with numbers a lot. So, is the Arteck HB220B worth it? For its price and features, it's a steal. Whether you're a student, a remote worker, or just someone who loves tech gadgets, this keyboard has something for everyone. If you're interested, check out the link below for more details or to grab one for yourself. Don't wait too long, it's selling fast. And as always, drop your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.